Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I am going to show you on how to use the Netsuite ERP, a powerful cloud-based business, a management software that helps the company streamline operations. So whether you are a business owner, an accountant, or a manager, so better watch this video. So first is log into your Netsuite. Head over to your web browser and enter your login credentials. And then once you're in, guys, you will see the dashboard. So which gives you an overview of your business activities. So here, you'll be able to log in through here. So you need to have a valid email address and then just enter your password here. So the dashboard, guys, is customizable and is included widgets like key performance indicators, so just like a reminders and then a recent records. So the navigation menu on the left gives you access to different modules such as financials, sales, inventory, and then the CRM. So one of the most useful tools in this website is the global search bar at the top. You can type keywords like customer's name and then transaction reports to quickly find what you need. So now let's explore some key modules here. For example, the financial management. So here you can handle invoices, account payable, and then the generate financial reports. So to create an invoice, you may go to the transactions and then look for the sales and then proceed to the creating invoices. Here you need to fill in the necessary details like the customer name, items, and then the amount. And then once done, guys, you can click save. So just like that, you have created an invoice. So if you need to manage vendor payment, head over to the transaction and then payable and then enter bills. Here you can fill in the vendor details, invoice amount, and due date. So this keeps your business finances organized. So next, guys, is the inventory management. So this module helps you track stock levels, purchase orders, and then vendors details. So to add a new inventory item, you need to go to list, accounting, and then items. Then you need to click the new and then choose inventory item. There you can enter product details and then hit save. So if you want to check your stock levels, you can go to the report and then inventory, and then there you can move on to the sales and CRM. Here you can manage customers' record, sales order, and the leads. So to create a sales order, guys, navigate to the transaction and you'll be able to see here sales and then enter sales orders. You can input customer details, add items, and confirm. So it is very easy, right? So now, guys, on reporting and analytics, this website also have an analytics. So to generate a report, go to reports and then look for the balance sheet. Here you can customize filters and then click refresh to see updated data. And if you need specific insight, you can customize the report and save it as a favorite for quick access later. So if you want to customize your dashboard, they have here their customization. You can click personalize and add or remove widgets based on your needs. So to save time, guys, this website lets you automate process using the workflows. So here, my tip here, guys, is use the global search bar to find the records faster and then automate the tasks using the workflows for efficiency. And that's a wrap, guys, on this website. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. See you in my next video. Bye!